Some breaking news coming in. The Maharashtra Anti Corruption Bureau has filed an affidavit before the Bombay High Court in the alleged 70,000 crore rupee irrigation scam and put the onus for it on Deputy Chief Minister Ajit Pawar. The affidavit that was filed in response to a petition by an NGO highlights the alleged irregularities in the irrigation project. The report has concluded that the work was substandard, projects were delayed and the cost went up. Now joining us for more details is my colleague Sandhya Gora. Sandhya, could you just get our viewers up to speed on what the scam actually was and what the ACB has found in its probe report?
Aarti, if we talk about this report, this affidavit which was filed by ECP, DG of ACB Mr. Sanjay Barve on Tuesday in the Nagpur bench of Bombay High Court, the affidavit clearly says that how the ACB has found out that how there were irregularities, massive irregularities while issuing the tenders. And the ACB also says that how there was a clear-cut modus operandi as far as these irregularities were concerned. If we talk about the people ACB spoke to, it included the bidders, the contractors, the ground level field officers, and Ajit Pawar, the then irrigation minister himself, who is under the scanner for this rupees 70,000 crore scam. And if we right now talk about the onus, while inquiring, the affidavit says that they spoke to ACB officers, spoke to Ajit Pawar and the Secretary of Irrigation Department as well. Ajit Pawar said that whatever tenders he issued, he signed on all of them, and that was based on the report which was given to him by his officers. Though on the other hand, the Secretary of the Department has cited the Act 10 of Maharashtra Rule of Business and Procedure and has said that whosoever will sign, the signing authority will be the last one to make the decision to whom the tender should be given to, and that's exactly why he's the one who is responsible. That's what the officers of Irrigation Department are saying. While concluding the affidavit, ACB has said that the proper inquiry, because SIT is also inquiring this matter now, they have the affidavit says that the proper inquiry of the government officers and minister who are involved is yet to be done, and ACB has tried to provide some material to these investigating agencies so that they can come to a conclusion. As of now, the onus is there on not just the minister but also the officers involved in this particular scam.
Right, Sandhya, could you just very briefly though tell our viewers what exactly this alleged 70,000 crore scam is and what it really entails?
Particular scam, it was allegedly done. It happened during the NCP Congress rule in Maharashtra from 1999 to 2014. This was the time period. It came into limelight in 2014 when, and if we talk about the scam, irrigation scam, the tenders, the way the tenders were given to the contractors were questioned by, at that time, opposition and some NGOs as well. In fact, Janmanch is one of the NGO who has filed this petition in Bombay High Court, Nagpur bench. The way tenders were given to because that's the allegation of this NGO and opposition parties, that the tenders were not given on the merit basis, but it was the tenders were given on the basis of favors, which these contractors gave. This is the allegation, not just to the officers but the involved minister as well. And there is not only one particular contract, one particular tender which is in question, an entire series of contracts in different places related to irrigation of that particular area came under the scanner. And in fact, in this affidavit also, ACB has concluded that yes, there was an entire modus operandi where the contract was not given to the lowest bidder, but there were not just irregularities, but the favors also can be seen while providing the contracts to these people for irrigation projects.
Right, the ACB, they're putting the onus on this entirely on then Deputy Chief Minister Ajit Pawar. Sandhya Gora getting us all those details. Thanks, Sandhya.